let somebody tell you you can't do something. Not even me. Alright? You got a dream. You gotta protect it. People can't do something themselves. They want to tell you you can't do it. You want something? Go get it. Period.
What's good? So today I got some Subway chicken bacon ranch. Also ranch, mayonnaise, spinach, cucumber, tomato. So good. I am hungry. All I had was a cup of noodles. I was hungry. They closing down my store, my Jamaican. No. Oh no, remember they said it's moving by us. Remember, I forgot. It's moving over there by us, by that family one. By the where we went to Family Dollar yesterday, is moving over there, remember?
Oh, yeah?
But I forgot about that.
I didn't know that. Why is it moving?
I don't know, they like that location over there by them. Why somebody sent me a picture?
Who sent you a picture?
Want Jamel friend? Come on. I ain't go over there. His mother exaggerated everything. So Angel, you got 100 social studies class, and I saw you got 100 like chorus or something.
I have 100 in all my classes except Forest. Forest is a 93 right now.
I saw piano there. Even one of them saw 100. I'm like, that's good.
You know me.
So hold on.
What's up, y'all?
What you got?
I look crazy. I don't know what you put in. I know it's pickles, bacon, chicken, ranch, lettuce. Is that it?
And mayo.
Mayo. Oh, okay.
And I got the Italian herb cheese. And we got chips too. That's my herb. Oh. I don't know why I'm so hungry, because I did eat at work. I ate cup of noodle. I ate one Gatorade. And I had one candy. What's that candy one? What's that candy y'all made me buy?
Candy you really like.
Y'all made me buy.
I ain't make you buy no candy.
Fruit snacks. That. I had one fruit snacks. They made me buy fruit snacks. I don't even buy that. My mom bought that. Now she made me buy it.
They bugged.
He better come on, because I hate driving already. I'm tired. Then I'll be sleeping good. He wake me up, come pick him up. Should get on my.
Is he working again tomorrow?
Yeah, because he missed Monday. My damn name. Coffee.
Thank you. Woo! Gosh darn. Here.
So what's your favorite class now?
My favorite class right now? Probably social studies.
She the best one to me. I like her.
Sometimes we be annoying her though because we be talking while she talking sometimes. But it don't be on purpose. Sometimes.
In my car, she be like, I'm gonna call your parents. I was like, no. Now she calls the parents.
All she gotta do is call the front office to get you. And boom, she called her parent.
She said she called parents for talking to me. If I was in school, she would have been calling my parents because I'll be talking to them.
I be talking, but I know when to stop. So like, she don't really catch me talking because I know when to stop.
And the fire drill today was weird. I'm like, why they ain't telling nobody?
Yeah, that was the point. What's it called?
It was right before it stopped busting down raining. That fire drill had perfect timing because after we went inside, it was storming. I see that boy every day. And I be testing kids. They be begging me to take them to go test. I'm like, how y'all like getting tested?
They probably just don't be wanting to be in class.
Yeah, they don't want to be in class. They love coming with me, child. You coming to get me today? Get me in this class, period. They don't want me in them class. I promised them some candy. I gotta go to the store. Get them some candy. Because they did good. They was testing all week. Man, this shit was busting. Yeah. It hit the spot.
Let me tell you something.
That shit hit the spot, you hear me? Why you so popular at school?
Yeah, I swear to God, I'm not popular, bro. I'm just mad cool with the people in my class because I'm a cool nigga.
Everybody, what you kept telling me?
Real taste of real good. Real taste of real good.
That shit's like real good. Well, what they gotta do? Like, comment, subscribe, smack that notification button up. Back. And hit that notification bell so you get every time we're posting.
Yeah.
Gang.